Morning, grades 5 through 10 will enter the building through this fenced-in area. Pre-K through kindergarten, first, second, and third, and fourth will make their entrance to the main lobby. The lobby's locked 24/7 for security. Once the doors are locked, after all students have entered, which is important to be on time, with a very limited amount of time to keep all the spaces open. Children will turn directly to the left after entry. This is the location of the school office. This is the entrance to our downstairs classrooms. They will turn to the left and walk directly up the stairs. We're going to be asking students to continue to do social distancing. As we walk up to the third floor and turn left, both doors on the third floor are locked.
And we're going live to Miss Hunter right now. So she may end some Wi-Fi connection, but you were able to see those stairs that she was going up. And as we're waiting for that, I'm going to introduce you to Mrs. Nichols. And she's going to go live for a moment to introduce herself. And you're live.
All right, good evening. Some of you that are watching may know me. Others I might be a new face. But I've been with Amazing Grace and Renton Prep since 2004, teaching all the grades from first up through middle school and high school, and also helped on the leadership team in the last few years. And in January of this year, my family, my husband, and my two boys, one Noah, who's 3.5, and Ben, who is 1.5, we actually moved back to Nebraska for a job opportunity and because both of our families are here. But I'm happy to remain connected and just for the opportunity with technology to continue to be a part of the learning and the growth, and specifically I'll continue to be a part of the leadership team, and also with a focus on supporting the classroom teachers through curriculum and assessment and project design. So just looking forward to starting a new year and wishing all of you well, and a special welcome to those new families and students joining us as well.
Thank you, Mrs. Nichols. We're going to go live with Miss Hunter now. She's on the third floor and ready to introduce you to your teachers. Hi, Miss Hunter.
Hi, everyone. I'm up here on the third floor. We're about to introduce you to our kinder prep through 4th grade team. So let me switch the camera back around. Okay. Let's head on in. So we've got our bathrooms over here. Excuse how loud I'm breathing. I ran up the stairs. Okay, so we come in here. We've got our tables, and then we'll come back here and we'll meet Mrs. Williams.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Williams. I'm excited to be your teacher this year.
Awesome. Can you show us your classroom, Mrs. Williams?
We have a beautiful view of the Cedar River. Yep. And we just can't wait till you're here.
And who is your friend that you have here?
Hi friends, hola. Soy Miss Patino, la señora Patino. Welcome. I cannot wait to see you guys.
Thank you both.
Yes, bye.
Okay, and now I'll come down here and walk through the classroom. Got our wonderful view here. And we're gonna exit out here and come into our next room. Hello.
I'll show you guys my face. My name is Miss Strandness, and I'll be teaching the 1st and 2nd graders.
Whoop, whoop.
I'm so excited to meet you all.
And who is your friend that you've got here?
I am Mrs. Thompson. Yay!
Hi, Mrs.
And I'm
Thompson.
going to be so excited to see everyone again for this year. I will be working online with first and second graders. So I will be working remotely, but I'll get to come to meetings and be part of what's going on, and I'm really excited. So looking forward to when we all meet.
Awesome. Thank you, everyone. Okay. We're going to exit and come down the hallway. Can't wait to see. Oh, we've got her popping her head out. Who do we have here?
Welcome. My name is Miss Fuchs, and I will be your 3rd and 4th grade teacher. And if you come in, you will see our very empty classroom. It's COVID friendly because everything is far apart, at least 6 feet. There's one more desk I need to put in here because we got 2 more students coming in, but I'm really excited. I'm so excited to meet you all remote or face to face, and we're gonna have a great year.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mrs. Fuchs.
Bye.
And then, did you want to introduce yourself?
Hey guys, if you don't remember me from last year, Coach Peter, Mrs. Barney, I'm so glad to be back for a 2nd year full-time helping early education, and Miss Huggins in the office, and I'm looking forward to PE with everybody this year. You guys hear that? From pre-K all the way up to 10th grade, we get to spend some time together virtually as well as in person. So remember, mask up. See you guys Monday.
Awesome. Thank you, everyone, for showing us your space. Bye. Okay, we are going to exit and head back downstairs. It was awesome showing you all around, and I will give it back to Michelle.
Thank you, Miss Hunter. We're heading over to talk to Miss Lee. She's coming on live now from 1st floor.